I used it before, so Devin must have it. I'm not Devin. Daniel has it.
Do a hole.
His son was dead and buried, but God raised him from the dead. God took him.
That's fine. Use all of it.
Yeah, one more.
Did a quick stop at Target today to get a few items. I actually did the drive-in pickup. So I had to get shavers for my sons and soap, which I already brought upstairs. It's not in the video. Whitening stripes, blades, lotion, Vaseline, some frozen meals for when I don't want to cook. I got some different meals. I haven't tried these. Takis for my younger son, ice cream, some baby snacks for when we're on the go, some frozen vegetables that were on sale, some K-Pods that were on sale as well, baby soap. We've been having a lot of ticks out here. We did have our house sprayed, but I'm still finding a whole bunch on the kids every now and then when they go bike riding. So I got them tick spray, Splenda, tomato sauce, tomatoes, marinara, and then I got me these two shirts, which I thought were really cute. So that is my, and chips. That's my Target haul for this week. I don't go to Target often, but there are certain things I like to get there, you know, such as a lot of their household items and their body items and stuff like that. And they do have decent quality clothing.
Oh!
Whoa, careful.
Is that potatoes?
Mm-hmm. This is another way to make garlic bread. I know I showed you guys something different last week. This is just soft butter, room temperature. If you have to melt it very little. Mixed with garlic powder, a little salt, parsley, and you just spread it on any bread. We got this bread a few days ago and it's getting stale, so I thought it would be perfect. Just spread it on like you would do butter, any regular spread, and just bake it in the oven from like anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes on 375.
You don't got a little dress for her to put on?
I do. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Oh, her face is